Today we're whetting our appetites with fresh farm-to-fork fare at Harvest. This organic and locally sustainable restaurant is known for its commitment to minimizing its carbon footprint.
Harvest was a brand that started about 8 years ago. Our owner, Dave McGrogan, was extremely passionate about sustainability, from our decor to the chairs to everything in a restaurant. This is a recycled glass bar top. If you look at the different colors, there's green and brown. It's one of the things that a lot of our guests really notice when they come in.
From the recycled glass bottle countertops to the local ingredients, everything at Harvest is thoughtfully chosen with sustainability in mind, even the bathroom partitions.
Our sustainable design flows right into our restroom areas also. Our partitions that we just put in are made from recycled plastics, which is neat because after we're finished with it, can also, be recycled again. It's something we believe here that, not leaving that carbon footprint. It's really important to us.
When it comes to the restrooms, Scranton Products understands that privacy is paramount, which is why they created Aria Partitions.
The basic function of a bathroom partition is to provide privacy. With Aria, we're using some unique systems like a shiplap edge so that when it closes, they fully overlap, making no sightline at all. The other interesting thing we have here is an edge-mounted hinge. So when the door is mounted on this, you can't see through, again, blocking your sightline, but you also have a hidden hinge, so you're getting a better aesthetic.
For over 30 years, Scranton Products has led the industry in bathroom partitions and lockers. Constructed from premium American-made, highly engineered materials, their products resist dents, scratches, corrosion, graffiti, and mildew.
Because we're using solid, high-density polyethylene, this material is moisture-resistant. So we were able to eliminate the shoes that you would see on a traditional bathroom partition system. And that has two real advantages. One is it gives you a much cleaner aesthetic, but two, those shoes typically gather moisture. Now you have a nice clean system that you can clean right up against to make sure there's no bacteria growth.
With Scranton Products, the sustainable design plan should extend well beyond the dining room walls.
They're going to walk in and be really impressed with the aesthetics, but then most importantly is they're going to be impressed with the high privacy design. In here, once these doors are closed, there are 0 sight lines, so anywhere you go, they can go in there and really have a private experience, which is ultimately what a bathroom partition is designed to do.
When it comes to custom color options and designs, they've got plenty.
There's tons of features and benefits of the Aria partitions. You're getting tons of design options. They're scratch resistant, dent resistant, they're microbial resistant. So you're really getting all of these great features and benefits of a durable product, but now getting really a high aesthetic value as well.
And they're all made from recycled plastic.
The HDPE material that the partitions are made of are fully recyclable, which means once you take down the partitions, you can bring them back to our facility, and what we do is we grind up that material and we'll put it back into our manufacturing process. And the great thing about HDPE is it doesn't lose any of its chemical composition during that process. So you can regrind it up thousands of times and you'll still get the same durability as the first raw material use that it started with.
Let's head over to the Scranton Products factory to see how it's made.
I'm going to show you the extrusion process. You can see the extruded material coming down the line. We also recycle our own material in-house. There's a certain percentage of engineered scrap. Also, the scrap is brought back from the Scranton Products business unit and recycled back into the process. Behind me is the largest extruder in North America.
They need the biggest one because of the size and the amount of products they produce.
And here we have the sheet extrusion, the plastic that's being put through the process. Here we have the engineered edge trim coming off and into the dumpster. The dumpster is then taken into our grinding room and recycled back into the product.
We can't reveal all their secrets, but rest assured Scranton Products keep sustainability at the top of their list.
So once all the panels and doors are cut for the projects on lines 1 and 2, we continue on down the process where we add the pilasters, the hardware, everything else that belongs with the job.
And then it's off to packaging.
This is now a finished product, and we'll take that down to the shipping dock. Here we are at the shipping dock, and the partitions are on their way to their final destination.
Today we witnessed how Scranton Products stays ahead of the curve when it comes to both reducing their carbon footprint and in their designs, as seen with their Aria Partitions. Once again, proving that when it comes to manufacturing, the key to sustainability is often rooted in the process itself.
Much like sustainability is important to Harvest, sustainability is also very important to Scranton Products, and we want to make sure that we're using the best materials for these applications that really carry that story out.
Two companies making small changes, creating a greener and brighter future for everyone.